we've been in the Splash Top RV Park here in the Milton, Navarre, Pace area.
Splash RV Resort and Waterpark.
Yeah, but it's Splash Top. So,
Splash Top, yeah.
We wanted to kind of tell you a little bit about it, right? So we have absolutely loved this park.
Yes. Like over there, there's even like a whole area, like a lazy river, but it's close into the store.
Yeah, so that's the important thing to mention is that we're here during the winter, which here in the winter in the northwest part of Florida is, it gets into the, it's been in like the 50s, 60s, but down in like the low 40s at night. But I think we want to just kind of walk around and show you some of the things. So we're just going to do some video showing you some of the things in this park. But honestly, like this is one of the nicest RV parks I've ever stayed in.
Well, there's even a campfire, right?
We have tons of campfires everywhere. So we're going to walk around and just show you some of them. Okay. Here we have one of the pools. This is one of the heated pools. There's another heated pool over here. And there's also a little jacuzzi over there. And so there's tons of pools here, which is awesome. And these are just the heated ones. There's also, what was it, Ollie? It was the
lazy river.
The lazy river. And right now we're not going to show that because it's empty, but it's empty because it's winter. But there's also slides. I don't know if you can see the slides from here.
Maybe we can zoom up.
Yeah, so let's zoom in so you can see that. But yeah, so look at that slide. So there's a whole water park built into the RV park, which is awesome.
Also, there's like mini golf and gaga ball.
Yeah, there's mini golf. There was tons of kids last night playing gaga ball.
Yeah, I was with them.
Yeah, gaga ball.
There was quite a few.
You are a big fan of gaga ball, aren't you?
So fun.
There's mini golf. We played that yesterday, yeah?
Yeah.
So we played mini golf, and then yeah, you can see the little, and they have like a little van set up there. Right over here is, where there's the restaurant. There's also a bar over here. But in this restaurant right here, the food is really good. It's burgers and fries and things like that. But they also have breakfast. They have they have desserts as well. Their cookies are really good.
Yeah, it's like a snack bar.
It is.
Snack bar.
It is. It's awesome. And so they have they have all of this set up. They have during the winter, they have all of these little things lit at night. So that way you get a full warm experience right here. Yeah. These all light up. But the food is, they are so warm. So the food is really good. And then over here on the first night we were here on Friday night, this bar was all set up. Lots of people over here, grown-ups of course. But they had the full bar set up. But then when it was a little bit rainy, the next night they had the bar. They moved it inside, so they had an inside bar.
Yeah, and then they're playing Lion King.
Yeah. So Ollie, do you want to show them the lounge area real quick?
So there's a whole lounge here.
You can speak up a little bit. Yeah. There's a lounge here.
Yeah. We got some stuff on the news.
Yeah. So we have some big screen TVs, big huge wraparound couch with a big fireplace, and then what was great is that. Like on Friday night, they had like a movie playing for kids.
Like they had Lion King, if I can remember right.
Yeah, and so over there is the inside bar that they have. Yeah, and then they have a full kitchen over here as well, right? So they have a full kitchen, which is amazing.
There's full drawings here.
Yeah, and these drawings actually gets into another part. One of the best things about this park is the number of activities. Like it's an all-day thing. Almost every day they're doing.
Gaga ball tournament all day long, like that. Like
was that yesterday?
Still going on. Like I thought it would end at 3.
But then on top of the tournaments, like they have just so much stuff for grown-ups, for kids. The first night.
There's an arcade over there.
Yeah.
Which we'll get into later.
Yeah. The first night we got here, they had karaoke that first night.
Yeah. So if you are into that stuff.
Yeah, and what's great is that they text you. So Ollie, you didn't see these, but they text you throughout the day letting you know about the different activities that are coming up, and ahead of your stay they let you know about them.
Also they'll give you a little paper.
Yeah, and the paper has all the activities for when you're going to be there, and we'll show you that in a little bit. But let's go over and look at the arcade, okay?
Yeah.
We'll be a little bit louder because it's kind of loud in here, but this is the arcade, right? So yeah, Ollie won won a prize over here, which is...
I'm so confused how. Like, nobody ever does.
Yeah, so...
a kid one time told me that they actually it was actually easy, but then somebody walked in and like made it harder. I'm not sure how. But
Yeah, but you still won. All right, so then over here we have, you know, even more arcade stuff. Like, look at all these games. And remember, this is all inside the RV park. It's all walkable.
Yeah, this is easy.
So they have racing games over here. They have a...
I'll call that Mr. Ticket Form because that gives you so much tickets over there.
Yeah, it does. Then they have a little prize area over here where you can reclaim your tickets. And then they have a little shopping area. They have a little shopping area over here where you can actually get stuff that you might have forgotten, you know, for your RV. They have some snacks over there in the corner, things like that. One of the cool things about this RV park is that it's not just an RV park for people who want to come here and have a little mini vacation in kind of like an RV setting with a lot of campers who are just having a great time. They have these little cottages. These are just beautiful little cottages set up over here. And these are gorgeous little spots. You can see them, you know, set up in the woods, and they're fantastic. But they also have, what is it? The like the old campsites. Yeah. So they of course have the campers themselves. Right now I'm driving a little golf cart, but they have the little campers themselves. And on this side, you can see a little bit more of the slide, which I'm going to pan to in just a second here. So you can see that camper. But on the other side over there, I'm going to show you some really interesting things. They have over here like these Conestoga wagons. I don't know what you call them.
Yeah, I
but
really don't know what they're called.
I'm going to zoom in here so you can see them a little bit easier.
There's like a teepee too.
Yeah, but
it's a really big one.
Yeah, they have a teepee and they have these wagons. So if you wanted to stay, have like a really interesting experience, they have these amazing little wagons that you can stay in, which to me is just so cool. Now, one of the other really great things about this park is the number of dog parks they have. So in this RV park, I think there's 3 separate dog parks. And
we brought our own dogs here just because they love it here.
Yeah,
except our big one. He does not like
our big dog does not like RVing at all, right?
No, he does not. The little one loves it.
That's true. So
she's all for it.
She's all for it. So the number of dog parks are just awesome. This is such a family and pet friendly RV park. It's amazing. There's so many things to do with the kids, with activities. There's so much to do with your pets, to be able to walk them around and kind of keep them, you know, happy and, you know, active. And there's so many people here with dogs. I mean, obviously dogs and RVing kind of goes together like peanut butter and jelly anyway. But, you know, it's just so amazing to me how many pets are here. Now, the other really, yeah, there's one dog right there. You're right. Now, the other thing that I thought was really great, which, you know, some parks that you'll stay in, they, you know, their facilities aren't the best. I have to say that the bathrooms here, and this one is a good example. The bathrooms here are just amazing. This is just one of the bathrooms, bathhouse 1. And this bathhouse is super clean. The showers are all private. Plenty of room for you to kind of like, you know, get in there, take a shower. The hot water is amazing, of course.
Thank gosh it is.
And then the other cool thing here, and I just want to pull in to show you this, is that right in front, there's a little spot. Sorry. We're just letting the RV go by. It's a big boy. Right in front, there's a little space for people to go and work out. So there's actually gyms at each of these bathhouses, I believe. I'm not sure if it's all of them, but I know I've seen it a couple. And so there's actual gyms built into here. So, I mean, like if you're on vacation and want to get a good workout and it's the winter and you don't want to be out walking around, this is a fantastic little opportunity for you to be able to still get that workout in. I can't believe Mom didn't work out, right? Because
she's always working out. Like every morning she's working out.
That's right. Okay. So I think that, you know, I'm going to stop here and we're going to kind of give our final take on everything. I think my final kind of wrap up for this RV park is that it's one of the nicest that you'll ever stay in. It's right off of the interstate. So
it's in Milton. So
yeah,
if you live near like Florida, that area,
it's perfect. But if you're driving by and you want a vacation spot, you know, this is an interesting spot because you know, most RV parks that you're like that are by the interstate, you're usually using them as a pass through, where you're just going from one spot to another. Maybe you're going to another destination spot in Florida, but there are very few places along the interstate where you can stop at an RV park for just a night or two and actually have a full-blown vacation experience right in the RV park without leaving. It's amazing. Like we are lucky. We live fairly close to here. We live in the Pensacola area.
Yeah,
and
not the Gulf Breeze area.
Yeah, so
That
we
whole
live in such, you know, close proximity to this, so we can actually use this as a jumping off point for bigger trips. And we used it as a way to kind of test our new RV. But for everyone else, if you're just passing through the area, this is a place where you should stop for a couple of nights and really enjoy the experience. What do you think?
It's fun. There's a lot to do here.
Yeah, for kids and adults, you know, there's kind of and your pets, of course. Everyone has a little bit of something that they can do with this.
Yeah, even the animals.
All right. Well, thanks so much. And remember, like and subscribe.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.